my name is Kiaan. Today we are gonna fold Blizzard, which has 5 fins. Just like pretty easy to fold actually. And what you will need is a square sheet of paper. And if you are using 2-colored paper, not like me, you wanna put the colored side down. And with that, we're gonna start by folding corner to corner. Try to make your folds as accurate as possible. Now, we want to fold this in half. Again, try to make it pretty good. Now, we want to fold this edge to this edge. I mean this edge to the center crease. Same on the other side. Now, we want to fold again to the center crease, just like that. Same on the other side. Now, we want to fold this point all the way to these 2 corners. Try to work with this. These are some thick layers. Unfold it and then fold this to that crease we just made. Now we want to fold both of these layers, not one, but both of these layers from that crease all the way until it catches on the corner. And this is going to be our wing. And same on the other side. Now we are ready to prepare our jet folds. Kind of roll on that crease. Edge. And only crease on to the center crease. Same on the other side. Now, it is really easy for us to do a jet fold. Now, we want to fold our fins all the way up there until it hits here. Same on the other side. Now, we want to fold this corner all the way up until it lands on this edge, just providing an inch crease. Fold this corner to that inch crease. Do the exact same thing on the other side. Again, just providing an inch crease. Fold this to that inch crease. And then fold our wings up. Open up our winglets. Fold just one layer. About the size of this. About that should be great. Now, all we have to do is lock our layers. lock our plane together. So we want to fold this all the way into the plane. Same again. Now we want to fold this all the way up there into there. Now we are almost done. All we have to do is set our correct wing angles. And we want our wing angles to be super straight, very straight. As you can see from the back view. Now, we want all of our fins to be vertical. And there you have it, a finished blizzard. Okay.
Done?
Yeah.